Okay, now we have to know about binding energy curve. So along x-axis we have number of nucleon inside the nucleus, and along y-axis we have average binding energy per nucleon. So if you will see, from 0 the binding energy start to increase till helium, then decreases, then again increases a bit hums here, then this is the peak here. Peak is for iron 56, and then again it start to decrease, and here uranium 235, less binding energy is here, and here you will see that here is also less binding energy. So as soon as you will move up the curve, binding energy per nucleon start to increase, and if you are moving here from hydrogen nucleus, and here as soon as uranium 235 or 238 you are moving to left, then the binding energy per nucleon start to increase. And here they would like to get this stable configuration, that is iron and nucleon are 56. So whether on left hand side the elements are combining, see here two hydrogen isotopes, protonium they will combine, deuterium, then tritium, and then we will get here helium. So it means on left hand side of iron, two light nuclei are combining and changing into heavy nucleus. So fusion is going on here. So it means on left hand side during fusion the binding energy start to increase, and they would like to get the stable configuration like iron. Yani their main target is they have to reach till iron. On right hand side you see that here we have uranium 235. When it will split we will get barium and krypton. So the element at the last end of the binding energy, they would like to disintegrate or they would like to split, and they also would like to obtain the stable configuration of iron. So here less binding energy and here more binding energy per nucleon, and this I explained earlier that the binding energy per nucleon of the barium and krypton is greater than binding energy of per nucleon of uranium 235. So all the elements that are present on the right hand side of iron 56, they have to follow the nuclear reaction fission to get the stable configuration. So in general, left hand side, all the elements present on the left hand side of the iron fusion reaction, they will obey the fusion reaction, and all the elements that are present on the right hand side of the iron, they will follow fission.